Hey YouTube, this your boy Mario coming at y'all my first reaction video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And you already know who we got today. We got that boy NBA Youngboy. They finally freed that man. He coming to us with that slime mentality. Let's get right into the video. I see Youngboy with the 6 watches on. Yeah, I see you with the 6 watches on. And all your jewelry. Come on now. Yes, sir. Come on now. My brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah. He said he slime. How long, YB? See what you talking about. Okay, Trey. He said, boom, bow. Ooh, TBO, YB. Hello. Nigga ain't have his head on. I'ma make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones. I've been coolin', but these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your shit just to see what's on your mind. Ooh, what? Hey, boy, say crack you in your stuff to see what's on your mind. Yeah, you know, talk your stuff, YB. Yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm sliding. He acting hot and slime so down to ease his mind. Yeah, I put up acting in a photo. You'll think my niggas with me in this bitch, but bomb solo. And me saying a salt, but still a come and kick your front door. Kick your door in, yes sir. If you don't know, I'm telling you niggas, I drop a bag just to finish you niggas. You think it's time, but this is X. Bro said he gonna drop a bag just to finish you bros. Come on fam. Come on bro. He gonna get rid of you now, fam. So anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you, nigga. I want them all, that's on my dog, bitch, we gon' get at you, nigga. P.O. Black and trying to catch a nigga outside. I'm thinking for real, I tell you, bitch, I crossed the law line. I'm about mine, let's slang iron. We run on with that Glock 9. Motherfuckers been clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' line. Take his ass up top like hot fire. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. Put on side, dump 100 in a car. Boom, bop. Ooh, boom, bop. Hey, that boy hard, fella. He hit that boom, bop. Okay. I go by top, get out your top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here slamming with a nigga. Hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no problem with a nigga. These hoes ain't shit, I put a ring there on the pillow. Mention the op, I tell her stop until it fill up. Y'all can't tell me what Youngboy is not the hardest out right now. Who messing with Youngboy? Be honest. Who messing with Youngboy? Come on now, fam. Come on now, fam. Me in the message and I read it what it said. He just how you about your ex and then he dead. I'm banging green, but I get mad and leave out red. I been that nigga, you gon' get that through your. Bro said he banging green. He get mad, he leave out red. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, YB. He came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you don't die. Motherfucker come behind. Cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like hot fire. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit. I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong. Cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance. Look. He came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you don't die. Don't give a fuck who come behind. Cause bitch we slangin' nine. Yeah. Take his ass up top like hot fire. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know. The GOAT has blessed us again with another hard video. Come on now, fam. This boy is hard. This is the hardest rapper out right now. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.